Hi, I'm Carla. I'm 34 years old from Australia and I'm currently living in Chiang Mai. And I've recently just completed a 2-day nutrition course with Luke and Susana. The reason I came to this course is, well, I had many reasons actually, but I'm personally very interested in nutrition. I'm also a psychologist and I work with my clients with addiction, and I really strongly believe in holistic healing. And so it's always good for me to educate myself and just know a bit about these issues. And so both personally and professionally, I really wanted a lot more information. So look, what I got out of this 2-day course was just so much. That Luke and Susana are both a dynamic duo, very integral. They've both been on amazing journeys. They've lots of education background, lots of research, lots of time and energy, and real thought has gone into their 2-day course. So I highly recommend it. It's very informative, very practical. You just, I couldn't say more. So great atmosphere, casual setting, and so really check in.